Calculate the pH of a buffer solution prepared by dissolving 30 gram of Na2CO3 in 500 milliliter of an aqueous solution containing 150 milliliter of 1mHCl. First of all, what is buffer solution? Now, before understanding buffer solution, you need to understand the acid conjugate base, weak acid conjugate base, or weak base conjugate acid pair. So, suppose H2CO3. H2CO3 is a weak acid. So, it dissociates to give H plus and HCO3 minus ion. This HCO3 minus is conjugate base of this weak acid. Now, this HCO3 minus, it will dissociate to give H plus and CO3 2 minus. Now, in this step, HCO3 minus is acting as the weak acid and CO3 2 minus is acting as its conjugate base. So, buffer solution is a weak acid plus its conjugate base. Now, this conjugate base is present in the form of its salt, or a weak base plus its conjugate acid. The one with weak acid plus conjugate base is called acidic buffer, and the one with weak base and conjugate acid is called basic buffer. Basic buffer. तो एग्जाम्पल क्या होता है? वीक एसिड और कॉन्जुगेट बेस वाला एग्जाम्पल हो गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एसिडिक बफर का. एसिडिक बफर का एग्जाम्पल, एसिडिक बफर, द एग्जाम्पल is CH3COOH. This is the weak acid and its conjugate base, which is usually present in the form of its salt, that is CH3COONA. So CH3COOH and its salt with a strong base. This is acidic buffer. Weak acid and its salt with strong base. Basic buffer. Basic buffer हो जाएगा weak base like NH4OH plus its conjugate acid. इसका conjugate acid हो जाएगा NH4 plus ion, or it can also be said weak base plus its salt with strong acid. तो NH4OH plus NH4Cl ये जो combination है, NH4OH is the weak base and NH4Cl is its salt with strong acid, that is HCl. So weak base plus its salt with strong acid acts as basic buffer. Now in this question, 30 gram of Na2CO3 is present in 500 ml of a solution, and this solution already contains HCl whose molarity is 1m, and this HCl solution is prepared in 150 ml of water. Moles of HCl will be equal to molarity into volume in liters. This will be equal to 1 into 150 divided by 1000. तो ये हो गया 0.150 moles. This is the moles of HCl present in 500 ml of solution. Molarity of HCl हो जाएगी moles of HCl divided by volume of solution in liters, that is 500 divided by 1000. और molarity से अगर moles find out करना होगा तो molarity multiplied by volume will give moles. So moles of HCl remains 0.150 moles. Similarly, moles of Na2CO3 will be equal to weight of Na2CO3, that is 30 divided by 106. This is equal to 0.283 moles. Now this many moles are present in 500 ml of the solution. So 0.283 moles of Na2CO3 is present in 500 ml of the solution. Now the reaction between Na2CO3 and HCl is Na2CO3 plus HCl will form NaHCO3 plus NaCl. If the ionic form of the equation is written, then this is CO3 2 minus plus H plus forming HCO3 minus. So this dissociation, this is very much similar to the reaction shown here. So HCO3 minus here acts as a weak acid and CO3 2 minus will act as the conjugate base. So this is the buffer solution, and now the concentration of CO3 2 minus ions and HCO3 minus ions. Again, number of moles of, now writing the reaction again, Na2CO3 plus HCl forming NaHCO3 plus NaCl. Number of moles of Na2CO3 present is 0.283 moles. Number of moles of HCl present is 0.150 moles. According to the balanced equation, 1 mole of HCl reacts with 1 mole of Na2CO3. So 0.150 moles of HCl will react with 0.150 moles of Na2CO3. तो Na2CO3 remaining हो जाएगा 0.283 minus 0.150 and HCl remaining हो जाएगा 0.150 minus 0.150. This is equal to 0. And concentration of NaHCO3 formed will be 0.150. Now since in this buffer solution HCO3 minus is acting as the weak acid, CO3 2 minus is acting as the conjugate base. यहाँ पे जो Ka की वैल्यू यूज करेंगे while finding the pH, it will be for HCO3 minus ion, means Ka for HCO3 minus ion will be used because this reaction involves the buffer solution which is a combination of HCO3 minus and CO3 2 minus, and HCO3 minus is acting as the weak acid. So this is the acidic buffer where HCO3 minus is the weak acid. So Ka value for HCO3 minus will be used in calculating the pH. Now pH of the solution will be equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. तो यहाँ पे pKa की वैल्यू हो जाएगी log 1 by 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 11 plus log salt की concentration है remaining salt, that is Na2CO3 remaining. Na2CO3 which is remaining is 0.283 minus 0.150. This will be equal to 0.133. तो ये हो गया log 0.133 डिवाइडेड बाई एसिड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 0.150. log 1 by 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 11 इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 10.32 प्लस log 0.133 डिवाइडेड बाई 0.150 की वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus 0.05. Solving, pH will be equal to 10.27 or approximately it is equal to 10.3. So this is the pH of the solution.